Good morning. Well, my name is Jeremy Cory Paredes and I'm here. I'm a distributor of Winolight International and I'm here to present to you the marketing plan. So, when you join Winolight, okay, mag-start po tayo sa posisyon na to. Silver, gold, platinum, diamond. When you decide to become a silver, yung maximum income na silver is only $500 every week. So, pwede na po ba yun? Kahit paano, pwede na, di ba? So, $2,000 a month. Kaya pag gold naman, that is $1,500 every week. And then pag platinum naman, $6,250 every week. And then this one is $10,000 every week pag diamond. Now, baby, paano natin pwedeng kitain yung mga ganong pera? Okay, number one, meron po tayong tinatawag na multiplier bonus. Ano mo yung multiplier bonus? Okay, for example, this is you. Okay, ang tawag sa network natin is, this is multilinear. You can invite as much as many as you can. Pero, you can create only 5 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, hanggang 5 legs lang po tayo. Pero if marami ka pang ma-invite, you can put it under them. Okay, now, pwede naman kayo mag-start ng 2 lang. And then, pag very stable na yan, pwede mo siyang dagdagan ng 3, 4, 5, maximum of 5. Okay? Now, kunyari si letter A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Si letter A, kunyari, nakapag-produce siya ng 100,000 points. Okay. Ano po yung points? At pinag-usapan natin the points. Yung points is that naalala niyo isang box. Okay? Now, itong box na to, this is 50 points. Okay? So now, 50 points. So, ibig sabihin, si letter A at lahat ng invite niya, kahit hindi mo nakilala yun, invite na ng invite, okay, nakapag-produce sila ng 2,000 boxes. Ibig sabihin, 2,000 boxes times 50 points, kasi per box is 50 points, right? That's why, all in all, nakapag-accumulate sila ng 100,000 points. Okay? So, alam niyo na kung saan galing yung points. Every box, that is 50 points. Okay? Now, si letter B, kunyari, nakapag-create siya ng 30,000 points. Ito naman is 40,000 points, kunyari. Ito naman, kunyari, is 60,000 points. Ito naman, kunyari, is 80,000 points. Anong gagawin ng company? Okay, paano kakikita? Ito, ang tawag dito, syempre ito yung pinakamalaking points, right? So, ang pinakamalaking points, ang tawag dyan, strong team or strong leg, right? So, itong 4 na to, these are weak leg. Medyo mahinang grupo. So, paano kakikita? You will get the 10% of their points. Okay? 10% of their points. So, 10% of 30,000 equals 3,000. Ito naman 4,000. Ito naman 8,000. Ito naman, this is 6,000. Ito 8,000. So, these are the 10% of the points. So, nakuha na natin 10%. Paano kakikita? Gagawin mo lang, lalagyan mo na ng $sign. And good news, guys, that is your income. So, okay po ba yun? Okay, now, paano naman ang connection nito dito? Okay, this is you. Ikaw yan. Okay? Now, since ikaw yan, ang check mo dapat dito is $3,000, right? Ito naman, 4,000. Pero, kapag nag-join ka dito at silver lang ang pinasok mo, imbes 3,000 ang kitain mo, magiging $500. Why? Because that is the maximum income of silver. Pag silver ka lang, that's why sayang. Okay? Now, pag nag-gold ka naman, 1,500 ang maximum income. So, ito, makuha mo dito, 1,500, 1,500, 1,500. Pag platinum, 6,250, 6,250. Ito, pasok. Ito, 8,000. Imbis na 8,000, pag platinum ka lang, 6,250 ang makukuha mo. Now, pag diamond ka naman, $10,000, lahat yan, pasok, makukuha mo lahat yan. That's why, if you see this business na parang wala lang, gusto mo mag-retail, gusto mo lang magbenta-benta, gusto mong gumamit, bumili ka na yung isang box, kahit huwag ka nang mag-member. Okay? Huwag ka na mag-fill up ng application form. Kasi useful lang naman yan. Pwede ka magbenta-benta. If you just want to get discount, it's okay. Right? Pero if you will join here because you want to do the business, I encourage you guys to get platinum or diamond. Why? Kasi negosyo to eh. Imagine mo, ang good news na sa system natin na to, this is infinite. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kumbaga, infinity. Kumbaga, yung pinakailalim mo, meron kang kaibigan sa Davao, sa Singapore, kung saan-saan, pang 1,000 downline mo na, hindi mo na talaga kilala. Ang good news yun, pag bumili isang box, pasok sa'yo yung 50 points nun. Yun ang kagandahan. So, sayang. If you think of big-time business, isa to. Kaya, huwag po kayo mag-silver as much as possible. Okay? Now, ang mag-isa pa dito, this is seamless. Kung may grupo ka sa Pilipinas, may grupo ka sa Hong Kong, may grupo ka sa Singapore, sa Amerika, sa Dubai, sa Japan, kung saan bansa man yan, merong Winalight, lahat yun, pasok sa'yo lahat yun. Because of the code number, malalaman yun. Okay? Now, question, baby, paano ako mag-silver? Tamang tanong yan. When you buy one box, ang good news niyan, silver ka na. Imagine mo isang box na binili mo, you have the chance to earn $500. Imagine mo yun. Now, pag gold naman, ibig sabihin, bumili ka ng 5 boxes. Kaya ka naging gold. Okay? Now, kung platinum position ang kukunin mo, you buy 12 boxes. Okay? Pag diamond naman is 30 boxes ang binili mo. So now, let's go to another incentive. Okay? Number 2, meron tayong tinatawag na leadership bonus. What is leadership bonus? Etong leadership bonus, maganda to. You know why? Pag kunyari may na-invite ka na isang tao, natulungan mo siya umangat, meron mo kayong bonus doon. Yun ang tinatawag na leadership bonus. Ibig sabihin, maganda kang leader, naturuan mo yung tao, natulungan mo yung tao, you have that bonus. Okay? That's why leadership bonus. Kunyari, ikaw to. Okay? So, kunyari naka-invite ka ng isang tao, direct na ikaw nag-invite. Okay? Ang good news yan, sa lahat ng first generation mo, lahat na may invite mo na direct mo, you will earn 10% from their income. Okay? Kunyari, kumita sila ng, kunyari itong direct downline mo, kumita ng $20,000. Pero dahil kumita siya, dahil ikaw ang nag-invite sa kanya dito, ikaw kikita ka ng 10% sa 20,000, which is $2,000. Yun ho. Aside sa kita mo dito, the company will give you another incentive. Isasabay sa check yun. Okay? Now, if ever naka-invite ka naman ng 1, 2, 3, tatlo na invite mo na direct. Ang good news yan, meron silang downline sa ilalim. So, hanggang second generation mo, you will earn 10% ng income din nila. Okay? Now, pag 5 ang downline mo, nakompleto mo yung 5, direct downline mo, 5. Okay? Ang good news yan, hanggang third generation, you will earn 10% ng income nila. So, paano itong leadership bonus? Actually, the leadership bonus, sobrang amazing siya. You know why? Kumbaga, try to imagine, oh, kunyari kayo ko ang naka-invite sa akin. Kunyari lang. Kunyari, kilala mo ako. Okay? Pwedeng mayaman ka na ngayon. Pwedeng hindi mo na kailangan yung Winalight. Pero kung na-invite mo ako kailangan ko yung negosyo to. You know why? Number 1, wala kaming, bankrupt kami when we did this business. Okay? Yung mga milyon-milyon na na-invest namin sa negosyo, lahat yun nawala. So, sobrang kailangan namin yung negosyo to. Alam mo, good news yan, pag umangat kami dito, ikaw yung unang taong pasasalamatan ko. Ang good news niyan, umangat ako, pinasalamatan kita, pero nakakatuwa. Kasi bakit kumikita ka din sa akin? Tama? So, para kumita ka ng malaki, you have to help me first. So guys, no, yung mga tao nag-invite sa inyo, hindi kayo basta-basta pinagkakakitaan ng mga yan. Okay? Kaya kayo in-invite dito for your own sake, for your own good. Kasi kahit hindi ka mag-join sa taong nag-invite sa inyo, ang good news niyan, tutuloy pa rin yung taong yan. With or without you, aangat yung taong yan. Ang gusto niya lang, bago siya maumangat, at least nakita mo itong negosyo niya, at alam mo kung anong ginagawa niya, at alam mo ikaw una niyang inisip. So, pag-isipan niyo yan. Okay? So, lastly, okay, number 3, meron tayong tinatawag na sponsorship bonus. Ano yung sponsorship bonus? This is outright commission. Okay? Now, kunyari, gusto mo na yung negosyo, nag-invite na yung kaibigan mo. Kunyari, nag-decide siya maging silver. Okay? Pag nag-decide siya maging silver, ang good news yun, ikaw na nag-invite sa kanya, the company will give you 500 pesos outright commission. Okay? Now, pag nag-gold naman siya, the company will give you 2,500 outright commission. And then, pag nag-platinum naman siya, the company will give you 6,000 outright commission pa rin. And then, pag diamond naman, this is 15,000 pesos. Yun yung outright commission mo. So, guys, no, imagine mo to, just doing this business, pwede makatulong ko talaga kami sa inyo. And lastly, guys, no, this company, meron tayong tinatawag na maintenance. Okay? Now, maintenance, any networking company na walang maintenance, medyo nakakaduda yun. Why? Bakit natin kailangan ng maintenance? Kunyari, ikaw to. Okay, back tayo dito. Kunyari, ikaw to. You have 25,000 downline. Monthly nagme-maintain. Sa tingin mo, continuous ang points na pumapasok, continuous income, continuous sales, of course. Kapag continuous sales, continuous din ang income. So, ilan ho yung maintenance natin? Every month, we are required to buy one box every month. Okay? So, that's our maintenance. Wala akong pakialam kung anong position ka. Pwede silver, gold, platinum, diamond. Isang box lang ako. Ang good news pa niyan, when you join today, ika-third month ikaw, required mag-maintain. Yung first 2 months mo, libre pa yan sa'yo. Para habang nagpapalaki ka ng grupo, libre yung maintenance mo.